Track 116. Unit 7.
What's the weather like in summer? It's sunny, hot, and dry. Autumn is from September to November. The weather is warm and windy. I'm going to go on holiday to Egypt with my family. How are you going to get there? We're going to fly there by plane. What's the weather going to be like? It's going to be hot and sunny. What souvenirs are you going to buy? It's my bag. It's mine. It's his book. It's his. They are her sweets. They are hers. Whose small blue bag is this? It's hers. Whose big black bag is this? It's his. I bought you some flowers. Do you like them? Flowers, they're lovely. What pretty colours. I'm going to give my grandmother a scarf and a box of chocolates. Where did you go for your holiday? What was the weather like? Last summer, we went to visit our aunt and uncle in Basra. It was hot and humid. For our mid-year holiday, we went to the mountains in the north of Iraq. It was very cold and snowy.